Discover your waterfront paradise, the brand new Sunset model by Lennar in Cape Coral. Nestled in the scenic Burnt Store Road area, this stunning Gulf Access Canal home is a dream come true for water enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. With direct access to the open water, your days can be filled with fishing adventures, island hopping, or cruising the Gulf in style. And it's all centered around the heart of the home, a spacious single-story design with an open floor plan that seamlessly blends the great room, kitchen, and dining area for effortless living and entertainment. Step outside and you're greeted by a resort-style oasis featuring a sparkling heated pool, inviting hot tub, and a covered lanai, perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings or unwinding after a day on the water. This home features 2,650 square feet of living space, a private owner suites, 2 additional bedrooms, a den, and a 3-car garage for all your storage needs. Welcome aboard. I'm Cessna, your Cape Coral realtor. And if you'd like to know anything else about buying, selling, relocating, or investing here in Cape Coral, feel free to contact me. All my information is in the details below, and I can't wait to chat. This is no ordinary home. It's an extraordinary opportunity from Lennar. What makes it truly unique is that Lennar, known for building in HOA communities, has embraced this one-of-a-kind charm of Cape Coral. With its 400 miles of scenic canals, Lennar has taken a bold step, purchasing individual lots to create spectacular homes tailored to every lifestyle. Whether you're dreaming of a Gulf Access Canal home like this one, or a serene spot on a freshwater canal, or a private retreat on a dry lot, Lennar has it all. This isn't just a home, it's your chance to live in a masterpiece designed for Cape Coral's unmatched beauty and convenience. Now, before you visit the builder's sales office, let's connect. Register me with the link below, text, call, or email me. If you do stop by the sales office, make sure to let them know that you have a realtor, me, Cessna, and that I'll be handling your registration. Send me a photo of their business card and avoid giving them any personal information to ensure I can represent your best interests throughout the process. Also, you don't want to miss my video on the 5 advantages of having a realtor represent you in new construction. See why it's always in your best interest to have expert guidance. Click the link below to watch. Now, the Sunset floor plan is absolutely stunning, and I can't wait for you to see it. So let's go ahead and head inside. Wow, what an amazing home. What was your favorite part of this tour of the brand new Sunset model by Lennar in Cape Coral? This home is truly a standout, from its Gulf Access Canal location to its stunning design and resort-style outdoor oasis. Whether you're looking for a waterfront retreat, a serene canal home, or a private dry lot, Lennar has created an incredible opportunity to enjoy the beauty and lifestyle Cape Coral is known for. Now, you're ready to take the next step. Register with the link below. I'd love to help. I'm Cessna, your Cape Coral realtor. If you have any questions about buying, selling, relocating, or investing here in Cape Coral, my contact information is below. I can't wait to chat with you, making realty dreams a reality here in Cape Coral.